Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.7, question 9 of playing with numbers. Question 9 have find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So here first we write smallest 4-digit number. So what is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number, and after this we find the LCM of 18, 24 and 32 by division method. Okay, let's see how to solve it. Now we find LCM. So LCM of 18, 24 and 32 is equal to, so first we find LCM by division method. Okay, so here in a row we write 18, 24 and 32. Clear? So first we select the smallest prime number which it divides these at least two numbers. So we select smallest prime number is 2. 2 divides all these numbers 9 times, 12 times and 16 times. Clear? Now after this we select also 2, and 2 divides 2 does not divide 9, so we write 9 as it is. 2 divides 12 6 times and 16 8 times. Now we also take prime number 2 and 6 in 3 times, 8 in 4 times. Now also divides this number by 2. So 2 is does not divisible by, 9 is not divisible by 2, 3 is also not divisible by 2, but 4 divisible by 2. Okay, so we divide. Here is obtained 2. Clear? This is 2. Okay, now again we select 2. So we write 9 as it is because 9 is not divisible by 2, and 3 we write as it is because 3 is also not divisible by 2. If we divide 2 by 2 we have to know. Okay, now next prime number is 3. So 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3 and 1. After this 3, so 3 1 is 3 1 is 3, 1 1. So LCM is the product of divisors. So our divisor are 2 and 3, 2 2 2 and 3 3 3. Okay, so how many times 2? 5 times 2 and 2 times 3. Okay, so we write here the LCM of 18, 24 and 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 32 into 3 3 is 9. Okay, so here 9 2 is 18, carry 1, and 9 3 is 27 plus 1 28. So in this we find the LCM of 28 18, 24 and the 32 is 288. Okay, so what is the smallest 4-digit number? So after this we write smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Okay, all of you know very well. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Okay, now we divide. We find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. For this we find the LCM of 18, 24 and 32, and we write smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Okay, now we divide 1000 by 288. Now we divide 1000 by 288 means LCM of 18, 24 and 32. Clear? So here how many times? 3 times. 2 6 ja 8. Okay, 2 3 ja 6 8 3 7. 3 times. Okay, 3 times. So 8 3 ja 24. Clear? And also 8 3 24 carry 2 26. Clear? Carry 2. 2 3 ja 6 2 8 minus it. Here 10 minus 4 6. Here 9 minus 3 9 minus 6, this become 3, and here 9 minus it, this become 1. Okay. So we have done remainder is 136. Okay, now we write the required solution, and here we minus 132 from this LCM, and required number is we plus it and 1000. Then this is our required numbers. Okay, so we write the required number. Now this is a required number. So our smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Okay, this is a 4-digit number, and we plus the LCM. What is LCM? 288. After this we subtract remainder. In each case, when asked the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by the given number, so first find the LCM. After this, okay, divide the smallest number by LCM, and the required number is plus the smallest number and LCM, and subtract the remainder. Okay, so here 1000 to write as it is, plus here subtract 136 from 288. So we obtain 8 minus 6 to 5 152. Clear? So this is our required number is 1152. Clear? Okay, let's see one time again. This is our question. Okay, find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Clear? So first we find the LCM of given numbers. Okay, so you find LCM. You can see here you find the LCM by division method. Okay, so this is an LCM is 288 of. Here you find LCM of 18, 24 and 32 is 288, and smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Okay, so we divide 1000 means smallest 4-digit number by LCM of 18, 24, 32. So we obtain remainder is 136. Okay, so our required number is 1000 plus LCM minus remainder. Okay, so in this way we obtain 1000 plus 288 minus 133. Okay, so we obtain, this is our required result. Our required number is 1152. This number is divisible by 18, 24 and 32 in each. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 10. This is question number 10. Find the LCM of the following numbers. The number is given: 9 and 4, 12 and 5, 6 and 5, 15 and 4. Observe common properties in the following obtained LCM. Each LCM the product of two numbers in each case. Okay, first we find the LCM of the given number. After this we check the LCM is product of two number. Okay, so let's see how to solve it. Here first we find LCM of 9 and 4. Okay, so LCM of 9 and 4 is equal to, so we find the LCM by division method. Okay, first we select smallest prime number. So 2 is smallest prime number. So here 2 2 is 4 and 9 is not divisible by 2, so we write 9 as it is. Okay, now this 2 is divisible by 2, so again select the smallest number. Smallest prime number is 2, 1, and we write 9. Now 3 divides 9 and we write 1 as it is. 3 3 is 9. Clear? Now again we select 3, 1, 3 1 is 3. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Clear? So this is equal to 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36. Okay, so you can see here the product of you can see here 36. LCM of 9 and 4 is 36 and product of two numbers. Product of two given numbers, 9 is one number and another number is 4. So product of a given number 9 and 4 is 36. So you can see here LCM is the product of two numbers. Okay, LCM is 36. LCM is the product of 9 and 4. Okay, clear? Because observe the common properties in the obtained LCM. Okay, each LCM the product of two numbers in each case. So in first case we can see LCM is the product of two numbers because 9 into 4 is 36. Clear? So here you can say LCM is the product of 9 and 4. Now we see B part, 15 and 5. Sorry, 12 and 5. Now B part, we find LCM of B part. Okay, so LCM of 12 and 5 is equal to, so find here LCM by division method. LCM is the product of divisor 12, 5. Okay, so here first we divide this number by 2. This is prime number. 6 5. Next again 2 Here obtain 3, 5. And now we select smallest prime number is 3. 1, 5. Next smallest prime number is 5. Okay, this 1, 1. So LCM of 12 and 5 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, because LCM is the product of divisor. Okay, so here we have 10, 2 to the 4, 3 is 12, 5 is 60. 60 is the LCM of 12 and 5. Okay, so 12 into product of 12 into 5, product of 12 and 5 is also 60. So here you can see also, you can see here the LCM is the product of the given numbers. Okay, means LCM of 12 into 12 and 5 is 60. This is a product of 12 into 5. Okay, this is a product of 12 and 5. Now C part, LCM of 6 and 5. 6 and 5. Okay, so this is equal to, we find here LCM by division method. Okay, so for this we select smallest prime number who divide at least 2 numbers. Here smallest prime number is 2, so 2 divides 6 by 3 times, and 5 is not divisible by 2, so we write it as it is. Okay, now next smallest prime number is 3. Both are prime numbers, so first we take 3, 3 1 is 3, and we write 5 as it is. Clear? And here 5, so we select prime number 5. So 1 comma 1. Okay, 5 1 is 5. So our LCM is 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so you can see here 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 5 is 30. So LCM of 6 and 5 is 30. Okay, and also the product of 6 and 5 is 30. So you can see here LCM of 6 and 5 is the product of 6 and 5. Okay, why this is a product of 6 and 5? Because 6 and 5 are co-prime numbers. They have no common factor other than 1. So the LCM of 6 and 5 are the product of 6 and 5. Okay, if two numbers is common, if two numbers is a co-prime number, then their LCM is product of that numbers. Okay, you can see here 6 and 5 is co-prime number because it have no common factor other than 1. Okay, what is co-prime number? Pair of two natural numbers which have no common factor other than 1, then it is called co-prime numbers. Clear? Okay, so LCM of 6 and 5 is 30, and product of 6 and 5 is 30. Okay, so it is co-prime product of 6 and 5. This is LCM of 6 and 5. So co-prime numbers have LCM, their product. Now D part, 15 and 4. We find LCM of 15 and 4. Clear? So we first find prime factorization. We find the LCM by division method of 15 and 4. So here first we select smallest prime number. So 2 is divides 4 but not 15, so we write 15 as it is. and after this 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 4. Again we take 2, write 15 and 1. Now we select the prime number, smallest prime numbers, which who is divisible by who divides 15. So this number is 3. 3 divide 15 5 times. Okay, and 3 does not divide 1, so we write 1 as it is. Okay, after this we select 5 smallest 5 prime numbers. So 5 1 ja 5 into 1. Okay, so LCM of 15 and 4 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Clear? So LCM is the product of divisor. This is the divisor. The product of this divisor is LCM. Okay, so 4 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 5 ja 60. So you can see the LCM of 4 15 and 4 is 60, but product of 15 and 4 is also 16. It means that 15 and 4 are the co-prime numbers, so their LCM is their product. Okay, so from the above discussion we observed that okay, the all LCM is multiple of 3. You can see here this is LCM of 6 and 5 is 30, and this is LCM of 15 and 4 is 60. All LCM is the multiple of 3 and they are product of 2 given numbers. Okay, so at last we want to say from above LCM we observe that LCM is equal to the product of 2 numbers in each case, and LCM is also multiple of 3. Okay, in this case we can see the LCM is the product of 2 given numbers and it is also multiple of 3. Now we are going to discuss question number 11 of exercise 3.7. This is question number 11. Find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factors of other. Okay, 5 20 6 18 12 48 9 45. What do you observe in the results obtained? Okay, so now first we find the LCM of given number. Okay, here a part is 5, 20. We find LCM of 5 and 20. Clear? So we find LCM by division method. 5, 20. So first we take number 5. 5 is divisible by 5 and 20. 5 divide 5 and 20 both numbers. So 5 1 times, this is 4 times. After this select 2. 1 2 2 ja 4. That is 2 1 1. Okay. So LCM of 5 and 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. See here 20. LCM is 20. Clear? So we can see here the LCM is the 5 and 20 is 20, means the smallest number is the here smallest number is the factor of greatest numbers. Okay, this is smallest number, factor of greatest numbers. Okay, So LCM of both numbers is the great number is the LCM of the both numbers. Clear? Now you can see B part. B part is 6, 18. Here you can see 6 is the factor of 18. Okay, because 6 divides 18. So LCM of 6 and 18 is equal to, we find LCM by division method. Okay, 6, 18. So we select smallest prime number who divide at least two given numbers. The smallest prime number is 2, so 3 times and 9 times. And now again we select smallest prime number who divides 3 and 9. Okay, so this is 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Clear? Now again we select prime number 3, so we obtain here 3 1 ja 3. Okay, so LCM of 6 and 18 are 2 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3. This is equal to 6, 18. 2 3 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18. Okay, so here you can see the LCM of 6 and 18 is 18. It means that LCM is the greater number. Okay, and the 6 is the prime, 6 is the factor of 18. Okay, now C part. Now LCM of C part 12 and 8, 48. LCM of 12 and 48. Okay, is equal to, so we use divisible method to find LCM. So we write here 12 and 48. Okay, so 2 is the smallest prime number who divides both given numbers. So 2 divides 12 6 times and 48 24 times. Now again 2 divide 6 3 times and 24 12 times. Now again we select 2. So 2 does not divide 3, so we write 3 as it is, but 2 divide 12 6 times. Again 2, we write 3 as it is, 2 divides 6 3 times. Now next prime number is 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. Okay, so we obtain LCM of 12 and 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this become 2 into 2 4, 8, 16, 3 ja 48. Here you can see also the greater number is the LCM. Okay, now so our next D part is 9 and 45. 9 and 45. We find LCM of 9 and 45 here. Okay, so first we find LCM of 9 and 45 by division method. So 9 45. Okay, so the smallest prime number who divides both numbers, so this is 3. 3 3 ja 9 and 15 3 ja 45. Now again we take 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. Now we take 5, 1 into 1. Okay, so you can write here LCM of 9 and 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5, this is equal to 45. Okay, so from above, from all this case, you can see the greater number is the LCM. Okay, so in this way we find the LCM of 9 into 45 is 45. Okay, and you can see this is C part. The LCM of 12 into 40 is 48 is 48. So from above and LCMs our discussion, you can say from all these cases we can conclude that the smallest number is the factor of largest numbers. Then the LCM of these two numbers is equal to that of largest numbers. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Thank you for watching.